The world of cryptocurrency is full of opportunities, innovation, and wealth creation, but it also carries significant risks if you don't know how to protect your digital assets. Every day, millions of dollars in crypto are lost or stolen due to poor security practices, hacked exchanges, and careless storage methods. Understanding how to store cryptocurrency safely isn't just an option, it's a must. Whether you're a Bitcoin investor, an Ethereum enthusiast, or just exploring altcoins like Solana, Cardano, or Polkadot, your first priority should be securing your coins before thinking about profits. Cryptocurrency wallets are the foundation of digital asset security. A crypto wallet is a digital or physical tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. Unlike traditional wallets that hold physical cash, crypto wallets store private keys, the access codes that prove ownership of your coins on the blockchain. These private keys are what make cryptocurrency ownership possible, and losing them means losing access to your assets permanently. That's why understanding the different types of crypto wallets and how they work is crucial to keeping your funds safe. There are two main categories of cryptocurrency wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for quick transactions and trading, but also more vulnerable to hacks and malware attacks. Examples include mobile wallets, web wallets, and desktop wallets. On the other hand, cold wallets are offline devices used to store crypto without any direct internet connection. They offer maximum protection against cyber attacks. The most popular examples are hardware wallets and paper wallets. The key difference between the two types is security versus convenience. Hot wallets are easy to access, while cold wallets are harder to compromise. Hot wallets include options like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and Exodus Wallet. These are ideal for beginners or frequent traders who need fast access to their funds for staking, DeFi, or crypto trading. MetaMask, for instance, supports Ethereum-based tokens and integrates seamlessly with decentralized applications dApps. However, because hot wallets are online, users must enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and avoid phishing sites. Even a single mistake, such as clicking a fake link, can lead to stolen funds. Cold wallets, on the other hand, offer superior protection for long-term crypto investors. Devices like Ledger Nano X, Ledger Nano S Plus, and Trezor Model T store private keys offline in encrypted form. These hardware wallets require physical confirmation for every transaction, which means even if your computer is compromised, hackers can't transfer your funds without the device. Many serious Bitcoin holders and Ethereum investors prefer hardware wallets because they eliminate the risk of online theft. Paper wallets, printed QR codes of private and public keys were once popular, but due to physical risks like damage or loss, hardware wallets are now the gold standard for crypto storage. Another important aspect of cryptocurrency storage is seed phrases. When you set up a new wallet, it generates a recovery phrase, usually 12 to 20 for random words that serve as the master key to your funds. This phrase can restore your wallet if your device is lost, broken, or reset. It's essential to write this phrase on paper and store it securely offline. Never take screenshots, store it on your phone, or share it online. Many crypto hacks occur because users fail to protect their seed phrases. In the world of blockchain security, whoever holds the private key or seed phrase owns the coin, so treat it like digital gold. One of the most common mistakes crypto users make is leaving their funds on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. While these platforms are convenient for buying and selling, they're also prime targets for hackers. Exchange wallets are considered custodial wallets, meaning the exchange controls the private keys, not you. The old saying applies here: not your keys, not your coins. If an exchange gets hacked or shuts down, your funds could vanish overnight. To stay safe, transfer your assets to a personal wallet after trading. Use exchanges for transactions, not long-term storage. Security doesn't end with choosing the right wallet, it also involves good digital hygiene. Always enable two-factor authentication to FA on your exchange accounts and wallets. Use a hardware security key like YubiKey for extra protection. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when managing your crypto, as hackers can intercept your connection. Keep your devices updated with the latest antivirus software, and never download wallet apps or crypto software from unverified sources. Phishing attacks are rampant in the crypto space, where scammers create fake wallet websites that look identical to the real ones. Double-check URLs and never share your private information with anyone. For those interested in DeFi decentralized finance or NFTs, non-fungible tokens, connecting your wallet to various decentralized apps can open up new opportunities for earning passive income. However, these connections also increase your exposure to smart contract risks. Always review permissions before approving a transaction and disconnect wallets from inactive dApps. A compromised smart contract can drain your wallet if permissions aren't managed properly. Ethereum users often use Etherscan or Revoke Cash to check and manage their connected wallets safely. If you're storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, consider using a multi-signature wallet. This type of wallet requires multiple private keys to authorize a transaction, adding another layer of protection. Even if one key is compromised, hackers can't access your funds without the others. Multi-sig wallets are often used by crypto businesses, exchanges, and family offices to prevent unauthorized transfers. Another growing trend in the crypto world is self-custody, where investors fully control their digital assets without relying on intermediaries. With increasing concerns about centralized platforms and government regulations, many investors are turning to decentralized storage solutions and self-hosted wallets. Platforms like Unstoppable Domains and hardware wallets like Ledger are empowering users to manage their crypto independently, emphasizing the core principle of blockchain decentralization. Backup strategies are equally important. Store multiple copies of your wallet backups and seed phrases in different secure locations like a home safe or safety deposit box. For extra protection, consider using metal seed phrase storage kits such as CryptoSteel or Bilphodal. These are resistant to fire, water, and corrosion, ensuring your recovery phrases last for decades. Many long-term crypto holders rely on this method to safeguard their generational wealth. When it comes to mobile crypto wallets, it's vital to keep your phone secure. Use biometric locks, strong pins, and avoid jailbreaking or rooting your device. If you lose your phone, a thief could potentially access your wallet app if it isn't protected. Also, avoid installing unknown apps that may contain malware designed to steal crypto credentials. Desktop wallets are great for active traders and developers. Programs like Electrum for Bitcoin and Exodus for multi-coin support provide advanced tools for managing assets. However, they should only be installed on trusted computers. Keep backups of wallet files and use encryption to prevent unauthorized access. It's also important to stay informed about the evolving world of crypto security. As new blockchain technologies emerge, so do new attack methods. Follow credible crypto news sources, cybersecurity experts, and blockchain developers to keep up with best practices. Join communities like Reddit or eCryptocurrency or the Bitcoin forum to learn from others and share tips on wallet safety. To summarize, storing cryptocurrency safely comes down to 3 core principles: control your private keys, protect your recovery phrases, and use secure wallets. By following these best practices, you can safeguard your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins from the growing threats in the crypto world. Protecting your cryptocurrency is not just about storing it, it's about securing your future in digital finance. Make security your top priority, and you'll trade, invest, and grow with confidence. If this guide helped you understand how to store your crypto safely, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into blockchain and crypto investing.